10 reasons why, if you own a credit repair agency and you're not offering funding, there's something got to be honest with you. It's either you lazy, you dumb, or you just really hate money. But before we get started, let's go ahead and have a quick message from our sponsor. By the way, if you don't know, this video is brought to you by Pennington Consulting Group, where we always say our goal is to help you reach your goals. So if you're looking for some funding, if you're a business, if you're looking to start, grow, or even expand your business or in need of some funding, you want to go ahead and click the link in the description below and visit us at Pennington Consulting Group. In addition to that, if you're looking to start your own business loan agency, this program is also brought to you by Broker Solutions Academy. And what we do is we help loan brokers and understand and simplify the various funding products that are available in the marketplace so they can properly serve their clients, stop the endless confusion and self-defeating pointless rat race they're currently in, and grow their business while maximizing profits by teaching them how to become a real business loan broker, not just a glorified referral partner. So definitely there's going to be a link in the description. We've worked all year long to really package this program, and it's the most comprehensive loan broker training there is. Guaranteed you're going to be successful, especially if you're going to be having me as your coach. Okay, so definitely want to check the links in the description. In addition to that, if you're interested in some of our media services, we offer YouTube editing services. I have my team. You see how great these videos are. Come on. Okay, you look at our website. You look how good those websites are. And look at your website, okay? So if you're interested in having us work on your website, if you're interested in having us work on your YouTube, or even get your social media game just right, you wanna go ahead and reach out to us. There's gonna be a link in the description on how we can partner up together to help you grow your social media presence, your web presence, so you can position yourself for success, as I always say. So anyway, I like how professional I'm sounding and everything like that. Our sponsor. Man, I cannot wait to get sponsored, man. Y'all really don't know, okay? Y'all sponsors need to go ahead and before I blow up, okay? But anyway, without further ado, man, I appreciate the few views that I have on this channel. I really do. You guys see how hard I'm working on here. So hopefully this thing blows up here soon. But nevertheless, 10 reasons why if you own a credit repair agency, you just gotta be like, if you're not offering funding, like what the hell's wrong with you? Okay, and if you're a glorified referral partner, if you're sending your stuff for third parties and you're really getting pennies, okay, because let's just be real here. Credit repair is not that tough. You're using templates or you're using ChatGPTs, you're not doing damage work, okay? And most likely you're outsourcing it to somebody in the Philippines or something like that to handle all the fulfillment from this. So come on now, okay? You can do this, okay? So 10 reasons why, if you're in the credit repair agency, you need to offer funding. And by the way, if you're interested in becoming an agent or an agency, if you need some training on how to become a business loan broker, not a glorified referral partner, a real business loan agent or agency owner, there's going to be a link in the description. We can talk about it. But without further ado, let's get started. So number one, credit repair alone is not enough. Okay, I used to be just like you, and if you really think about it, everybody is fixing their credit not just so they can sleep good at night. They're trying to get qualified for funding. They're trying to buy a house, buy a car, start a business. They're trying to do something. Okay, let's just be honest here. They didn't go to church and now they feel unholy because they have bad credit. Okay, come on. All right. So many clients in the credit repair agency needs financing. That's one of the main reasons why you need to offer this as a service. Because once they get done fixing their credit, then you transition them into getting a loan or whatever it is. Number two is, of course, very clear additional revenue streams. Credit repair agency typically rely on monthly subscriptions, and let's just be real. The people already have bad credit. So your monthly subscription, eventually they're not gonna pay for it. We've been there before. We're chasing after that monthly payment. They pay for like 2 or 3 months. And then after that, they disappear, okay? So this gives you a way where you can actually continue to make bigger commissions, way more money, create an additional revenue stream, which again, decreases the unpredictable income you've been getting with your monthly subscriptions in your credit repair service. And another thing is, it's a higher client retention and satisfaction. I used to always say this, that, you know, it's one of my mottos: nothing is worse than doing nothing about your credit. I hated when I had bad credit because I thought that it was like a permanent disease. You know, that, you know, if you have bad credit, you just think that you always will have bad credit. So when I worked with somebody to help me fix my credit, they really gained my trust because I didn't think it was possible. I'm telling you that this is the effect that you have on your clients if you're very successful as far as helping them fix their credit. And if you help them fix their credit and actually achieve their funding goals, wow, you have a long-time client. I can tell this from experience. There's people that I speak with right now that have been my clients for over 10 years. They don't make any financial decisions without scheduling a call and actually speaking to me first. So it's a higher client retention and satisfaction. If you can offer them credit and graduating them into getting some type of funding and establishing them, actually reaching their main goals and objectives as to the reason why they came to your credit repair business. So that's number 3, higher retention and satisfaction with all your clients. The other thing is business owners and entrepreneurs need both. When you're working with credit repair clients, majority of people you're working with consumers. And then, when you're working with business clients, majority of the people there, clearly they run your own business. Now, you can offer credit repair to the consumers, and if they have their business, you offer them business funding. You can also offer some personal funding. So it's a way to. The point I'm trying to make here is to expand your reach as to who you can actually work with. Many clients, again, seeking credit repair are entrepreneurs trying to secure funding for their business. So helping them obtain business credit cards, lines of credit, SBA loans, turns one-time service into a long-term financial relationship, something that I touched on earlier when we're talking about the high retention as well. Number 5 is a competitive edge. You will have a competitive edge in the industry. It just makes sense. How many credit repair companies are out there? And a lot of people are even starting to do their own credit repair, which I don't advise it, of course. I think if you're going to be working on fixing your credit, it's something that you need to let a third party do it, because you're too emotional when you get involved into your own legal drama. So what we have here is you having that competitive edge. I always have an intake call with each and every single one of my clients, and I ask them, what's your objective here? Why are you trying to fix their credit? You're trying to buy a house, buy a car, and we come up with a timeline based on how we can help them achieve their goal. So the focus is not a high credit score, a 700 credit score, whatever it is. The focus is getting that house. I just had a call. I was driving with my girlfriend, and we're in the car, and I received a call from one of my clients. And literally, I had goosebumps. The guy called me and was like, Brian, man, I just closed on that house. I just wanted to thank you, and he said, he's one of the clients that's actually in one of my reviews. I'm gonna show his review somewhere on here, but he just said, man, thank you, because he was a truck driver. He just got, he had dealing with bad relationships, divorce, all of that nonsense, and his credit was ruined. And I helped him. We've talked about it. He was referred to me by one of the realtors that I work with that sends me any clients that cannot qualify for financing due to credit challenges. So he does some type of owner financing for about a year, and he requires them to enroll into my program and get their credit fixed. So it's really embedded into their house. They have to fix their credit, so they take the program a little bit more seriously. But that competitive edge that you have and the appreciation that you will receive from your clients, it's immense. That really touched me whenever that guy called me. So it's sometimes it's better than closing a big deal, just that appreciation that you get from your clients. Number 6, more approvals, more success stories. I think I'm speaking ahead here, but just touching on that, credit repair alone doesn't guarantee clients will get the funding that they need, but structuring funding solutions alongside credit improvement, clients get financial wins. So again, I was speaking ahead there, focusing on the reason why they came to fix their credit is critically important. Because a lot of credit repair companies have this mindset of the job is done once you give them a high 700 score. And you can have 2 credit cards, $300 limit, and you have a 700 score, but you might not be still in a position to get the funding, the original objective as to why the client came to you. So focusing on that, I think is really huge. So number 7, higher lifetime value per client. Instead of you just getting, a few dollars every single month for a few months, you can make thousands per client through funding commissions. Cross-selling funding, credit building programs, coaching adds profit, additional profit per client. Okay. Again, common sense. They're not just fixing their credit so they can sleep good at night. Why are you not making money off of them getting a business loan, credit card stacking, them getting a loan or a personal credit, whatever it is? Why? Okay. So, higher lifetime value per client. Instead of you just making a few dollars, $300 or $400, you can actually, and then again is, you can increase your client retention. Because how many times you have a client that, they pay the first 3 months, the first 3 months are usually okay. It's the fourth, fifth, sixth month, then they don't pay while you've already done all your work, So this allows the client to stay focused on that actual goal, which is to get that house, get that business loan, not just to get a 700 score, because the goalpost has been changed. Number 8, it aligns with the ultimate financial freedom. Clients don't fix their credit just to have a nice credit score. They want financial freedom, a home, a business, or capital positioning, and your agency as a funding expert helps them achieve this goal. So again, me always talking ahead here, aligning the ultimate client goal with what they're trying to do. Number 9, partnering with lenders and brokers expands your network. Working with funding partners, business loan brokers, and alternative lending increases your reach. It creates a win-win where you help clients while getting paid for successful funding deals. So yes, it broadens your network. I just mentioned to you, and I gave you an example of how I have a realtor that sends me clients, and his business model is tied to my business. He literally, if they don't qualify for any one of the real estate loans, he gets, and if they really love the house, he gets them to do an owner financing for about a year, 12 months, whatever it is that we gauge is going to take for how long for us to fix their credit. And they do 12 months, it's usually a minimum of 12 months. And then after that, their credit is good, their income is good, and they can qualify for a mortgage. But again, I would have never done this if I didn't offer credit repair and funding. And my understanding of funding is what allows me to actually do this. Lastly, the future of credit repair is holistically a financial service. When I started Penta Consulting Group, my goal was to create a financial Walmart, a one-stop shop for all your funding needs. I see the future, again, for all credit repair agencies offering funding, and or vice versa, funding agencies, offering credit repair. If you're a funding agency, offering credit repair, there's something wrong with you. These things just work hand in hand. For any people that don't qualify for your program, you make money off of credit. And if you're a credit repair agency and you're not offering funding, what the hell's wrong with you? The reason why they're fixing their credit is because they want funding. Hopefully you guys are getting the video here. You have to offer funding if you're a credit repair agency. So let's just summarize the 10 points that I just made, because I know I just went through that really fast. So number 1, credit repair alone isn't enough. Additional revenue stream, higher client retention and satisfaction. Business owners and entrepreneurs need both. Okay, competitive edge in the industry for you to have a competitive edge. More approvals equals more success stories. Okay, the client is not just going to remember you because you have a high credit score. The clients, like the one that I just told you, is going to remember you when they're opening the damn key to their new house and they're like, God damn, that freaking guy from YouTube named Brian helped me get here. Okay, higher lifetime value per client, make more money per client, because that's the reason why you got into this business, is to make more money, but offer value so you can create a win-win situation. But again, make more money per client. It aligns with ultimate goal of financial freedom. Again, credit repair, changing how lenders view them and actually reaching their financial freedom, their financial goal. It's a huge thing. That's point number 8. Point number 9, partnering with lenders and brokers expands your network. Okay, have more to offer referral partners other than just the fact that you offer funding or the fact that you help people fix their credit. Your understanding of these funding products, the ultimate goal is critically important. And lastly, the future of credit repair is a holistic financial service. And I wanna end with this. Let me help you build your holistic financial services firm by adding lending as part of that program, or by adding credit repair. One of the things that we teach in our course, if you want to become an agency owner, is we teach you everything you need to know as far as the 3-Plats lending, the different products, how to process them. In addition to that, we have a credit consulting course embedded in that program as well, so you can learn how to fix people's credit, because it's just mandatory. Okay, so anyway, if you want to work with us, there's definitely going to be a link in the description. As always, I appreciate you for joining me today. Salute. Comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.